Make sure you stay tuned to the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger. If you have one of those, your rear power windows do not work, stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check. Common mistakes people make when they replace a fuse or relay that can cost you thousands of dollars, guys. And also we'll share where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. Most people, guys, will do one thing. They will open the hood and they will hope that this fuse is in the fuse box located right here, but it's not here, guys, it's somewhere else. It should work on V6, V8. Specifically, we have a 2018 V6 model here. This, guys, is something else that most of you requested, to share information about the scanner that we recommend for diagnostics. This too is a life-saving device, guys. It's amazing. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. It works on Dodge and almost any other car you can think of. You can access every computer system, read codes, delete codes, and see live data. And on some of these new cars, you may have up to 50 computers. So a tool like that is something you must have to fix them. Check out the link in the description of the video below if you want to check the current price and features. So let's explain where the rear power windows fuse is located now. So what you need to do, you need to open the trunk on your Dodge Charger. You need to lift up the trunk liner right here. Once you do that, you guys have the spare tire and the car battery. Common mistakes, 3 common mistakes people make. Number 1, it's recommended when replacing fuses and relays to disconnect the car battery. Otherwise, you can cause malfunctions in the electrical system. You can cause malfunctions in modules, computers, and you may need them. You may need to replace them. Number 2, it's very important which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics and modules. How we know that, guys? Simple. We just did that not too long ago on Mercedes, and we burned the computer, airbag module computer that cost us $2,000. So there is a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out, it will teach you all about that. Next, right here, guys, this is the fuse box. We're going to press here, lift up, pull it out. Great, just like that. If you see, guys, those are the fuses right there and relays. Mistake number 3 that people make, they do not test fuses and relays. Fuses, they just assume by looking through the glass or the fuse itself if they're burnt or not. Sometimes you cannot tell. It may look like a good fuse, but you put it back in, it's bad. You will waste your time and money, guys, on parts and problems that practically do not exist. Always test fuses, in my opinion. I'll put a link in the description of the video below that will teach you how to test fuses, relays. Check out, it's a special video we made for you. Which fuse is for the rear power windows now, guys? It's known as fuse number 64, F64. And if you come next to that big relay, we're talking about that fuse right here, that special fuse right there. That's the fuse, guys. Now, if you need to buy a replacement fuse, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. It's like a fuse relay, that thing is known. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.